Ever wonder how much you can fit in a 5x10 storage unit? All this stuff plus a heck of a lot more. It's just a matter of packing your items right and using the proper packing supplies to do the job. Let's walk you through some handy pro tips to get the most out of a 5x10 unit. Always use protection. Clearing out some space in your home, our heavy-duty protective paper allows you to wrap furniture such as cabinets and dressers to prevent any nicks or scratches. Exercise bad luck prevention. Broken glass got you worried? Our picture and mirror box is the perfect way to make sure these items won't end up in pieces. Divide and conquer. Nervous about packing up the kitchen set? Our dish and glass kits are essential accessories for packing your dinnerware safely. With these tips, you can use storage in a way that's easy to manage, while enabling you to take full advantage of your storage space. Problem solved.